What's the meaning of arboriculture? Arboriculture. Arboriculture.
Arboriculture. Arboriculture. Arboriculture is the practice of cultivating, managing, and studying trees, shrubs, and other perennial plants. It involves techniques such as pruning, trimming, fertilizing, and disease management to maintain the health and aesthetic value of trees and other woody plants. Arboriculture is important for both urban and rural environments as it helps sustain ecological balance and provides numerous benefits such as shade, oxygen, and carbon sequestration. Proper arboricultural practices can also mitigate the risk of tree-related hazards and promote safety in public spaces.